Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of trading and strategy development. Today, we're going to explore a beginner-friendly approach to trading Forex, specifically focusing on the trend-based strategy known as the moving average crossover system. This system has gained popularity in recent months due to its simplicity and effectiveness. The moving average crossover system is based on the idea that when the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, it signals a potential uptrend. Conversely, when the short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average, it signals a potential downtrend. This crossover point serves as our entry signal. To implement this strategy, we'll use two moving averages with specific parameters. The short-term moving average will be the 9-period exponential moving average, EMA, while the long-term moving average will be the 50-period EMA. These parameters have been extensively backtested and have shown promising results. When a 9-period EMA crosses